YouTube? This is your boy Tech SRT. I am back at it. I'm here about to get this Cobalt fixed up. I already had like a few things done on it where I had to take apart the axle, and I'm actually going to do a quick little brief inside here showing you how to take away an axle. You don't have the tools, a pry bar and a little slight hammer tapping on it. I'm going to show you what I did to get it out, because I didn't have that tool, couldn't pay for it. So I mean, I could have, but I didn't want to pay for the tool and stuff like that. So we're gonna get right in, trying to put these pieces together, all this part in, plus the calipers and brakes. I'm just gonna probably do that later this week. But I'm just give you on a part, I guess it's part 5 or part 4 of rebuilding the Cobalt. So stay tuned, and sorry it's dark, but this camera's supposed to handle dark and stuff like that, but we're gonna get right into it, and let's get right in. And oh, one more thing, don't forget to like and sub. Don't forget that button right here, the notification bell, to always get up to date when I shoot out a video. And also right there is a sub, and it's free to sub and get the latest videos that I would upgrade. Now this Cobalt I may give away, so I don't know, but you guys can comment below what you think. Should I give it away, or should I just keep it and mod it out? But what mods should I do? But this one is just fixing the front end, what is wrecked, and more things coming this week. So you guys let me know, leave a comment below. I'll catch you in this video. Hold on, next coming up. But all it was the steering knuckle. I mean, that CV joint was stuck on here. So what I did is I used a pry bar here, and I just used a hammer and just knocked on each side while I'm prying down to get it out until I finally get it out, and then I pulled it out. That's the only way you get that out, if it's like stuck, rusted on. But I just tightened this bolt down here on. I'm gonna tighten it just a little bit more to make sure this is safe for this part here, because I may replace these soon, or replace this whole part here, because they've been hanging on for the last couple of days, so I might replace this. I know you're supposed to put a jack under it. I'm actually going to get the tire aligned, so I get this aligned once I get everything going. But mallet like this, and just while you prying down with your ply bar behind here, you want to keep tapping until it comes out. So while you plying your pry bar like this down on it, one hand, and then you just tap each side like that until it jiggles itself out, and you can just pull it out. I was gonna try and use a tool to get it out, but I didn't want to break nothing, so one of the guys was just like hammer it out. So I did that, and it worked. So that's one of the things there. This is pretty much assembled. This is the new one. I'm gonna show you what the old one looked like. This is the old one. So I am getting all the parts off of it, because the piece broke off when it got into the accident, and then this part here had to get replaced, so I'm replacing that. It's going good, how are you? So I'm replacing that. So this new one spins. I'm actually gonna do all this stuff here, get all this stuff in, clean all this down, and put the new axle on, and a strut piece up here, and replace that too. So I'm gonna get that in and replace that, and I should be good to go with getting this all together and putting a piece on for the calipers and the strut. Most likely it's probably gonna be like this. Yeah, it's gonna be like this. I'm gonna put that piece on and get everything to go together, and get this all bolted up, because you can see here this got really damaged. This stuff's locked up. You can see this don't even spin. I don't think this will even spin anymore. No, because it's locked up from being a corrosion and getting into that accident. So I had to take that piece on, lock this in. I got a lot more work Actually, I'm thinking about this bending this fender back, but you guys let me know. Should I just replace the fender or work it out and, repaint it and stuff? But a few pieces is broke on it, so I might just replace the whole fender. I'm just gonna replace it, get a new inner lining right into it. So the first thing we want to do is going to get the strut part on, so I want to get that piece that I had to put the struts on. We'll get the axle on probably first, and then we're going to get the strut on. Pretty tidy. Now I just recycled the bolts on here, so that's what I'm gonna do here. So we're gonna get it up here. I can look up and see how the bolts go. No, I'm holding it incorrect, guys, but I'm just basically just get this on. I know there's an easy way to probably put this on, but it's me. Got that on. So I'm gonna have to get it down and put in, and this won't come in that way. So once you get in, I'll be able to access and put this strut on the right way, unless this strut is off. But most likely I should be able to get it in. But let's tighten it. I'm gonna do it the faster way. And I probably have to use that. Put on that. So maybe I should have put that strut on first. On the axle. Sorry about being away, but I got that on. So we're gonna all right, everything is bolted on. Actually just gonna get some thread lockers so I can finish bolting these on, bolting this on, and bolting this part on, and getting all these pieces back on here. But the new axle, CV axle is on. The new strut is on. Got that on up here. Well, I had to, but I have everything on. So the only thing I have to do is put new, this part, I just put that on because I want to put some thread locker on this, and thread locker on this, and replace this side panel and get a new headlight, because I think this unit is broke, but not really. Actually, I could just get a new light assembly, and then we off to fixing the radiator and stuff this week. I'm gonna record that for you guys. So I have this good to go and ready to fire off and go. I'm going to change the spare tire, put it in the back, and take this one tire and put it in front, because I'm going to replace the tires inside there until I replace it. But this is the old units here and here. So this is just one part I was just telling you with replacing the Cobalt. I use my light in here, this rebuilt this, but you know, for a person who don't really fix on cars and do anything, I actually got everything in there, got it on. I use this jack to get it up. I might check the shocks in the back, see everything good, but you know, for putting it on, it was pretty simple. I have a video. I'm gonna stretch through some of the stuff because I know it's probably seen my behind putting on the strut and stuff, but I'm gonna have a before picture and after, you know, what it looked like. And like I said before, those things, and I got everything all over the place, but I cleaned up just a little bit. But this thing's gonna get a thorough detail. I'm buff it, wax it, everything else, to get the black back. And then you guys tell me what color should I wrap this car. Leave in a comment below and see what color should I wrap this. But got it all done, and it is good to go. Take a thumbnail real quick. Had to take a thumbnail, but you guys, thank you for watching. I'll catch you on the next video. This is your boy Tech SRT. Thank you for watching, and I just wanted to give you guys a quick little review in this build, and thank you for coming along, whoever been watching and enjoying this journey on this build. More builds be coming. You tell me when I get done with this what's next. But to support your channel, there's going to be a link below to support this channel. I am having merch coming, so stay tuned for that. SRT Hemi merch. The reason why I'm working on this, I do have a Dodge Charger. I'm working on getting an SRT Scat Pack wide body, so stay tuned for that. Let me guys, you know, should I get a C8 Scat Pack wide body, or should I get the new Toyota Supra that's like really popular right now? I actually kind of like that Toyota Supra, but you guys let me know your comments below. But thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.